If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to SOP video update. Now I was looking at SOP previously and I thought, what's going on with SOP? I wanted to buy SOP for some reasons 2 days ago because I actually saw SOP making this particular pattern right now. You can see that it was moving sideways like this one, and I actually draw that there's a pending decision coming in very soon. And I thought that, the break happened to the downside, but it actually made a fake out and boom, actually shoot all the way up like that one. And now it's actually retracing down a little bit. So the question is, can it continue to go higher? So for that one, let me dive into the 4 time frame. And we do have some sort of a, it's kind of weird that maybe the technical target is met or not, but the highest you could go, because Bitcoin is looking to maybe move to $19,000, so we could have a little bit of a chance here for SOP to move all the way to 300 before it doesn't get rejected here and continue a little bit lower. So one thing I can say is the following: you do have a little bit of a breakout happening in there. You can see that's a very clear breakout for SOP if you consider this wicks and this touches right there. And if I take the technical target from the top to the bottom right there, we could be looking for SOP to basically move to 313, and that's going to be a price level appreciation, maybe a 16% move up, and a stop loss down near 263, where you can actually make a 2% loss at the moment. So that's pretty much it for this SOP update. Just a quick one on this pattern. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.